platforms. How is everyone doing today? I'm seeing some good comments in the chat. I hope everyone's doing well. Good morning, Positive. Hope you are doing well. Welcome, Humble Guy, Pino, Yared, Eagle Eye, Positive. Let me just make sure that we are live everywhere. Just checking on all the platforms. Boom, we are live on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and on Discord, of course. All right, let's get it going. Give me 1 second. All right, let me just send a message in the chat as well, letting everyone know that we are live. Everyone, we are live. All right, boom. Let's get it going. How is everyone doing? Welcome back, Rob. Sharaf, welcome back as well. Guys, we had a pretty good day earlier. We got just like a trade or two in, nothing too crazy. We did hit take profit on 2 trades. And then obviously I had some explanatory trades that I took, and those ended up failing. And then 1 gold trade went into loss as well, but that's totally fine. We're going to be entering more trades hopefully soon. The crypto stream is still not live yet, so we're going to be waiting for that to be live as well. Hopefully soon they can get that up and running. But in the meantime, the trading doesn't stop. I don't stop. We're going to be here still anyways. All right. So right from the top, welcome to everybody that's joining. My name is Bullpen Trader. I'm going to be here every single day at 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. EST doing these, live webinars, going over the strategy, the JSTStream strategy, going over the range bars, the different aspects to the strategy, risk management, explaining everything that you need to know to get started with your trading journey. I'm also going to be showing you guys the platform and doing live trades on that platform as well. The platform that we're using is Abbado.com, Abbado Markets. Absolutely great platform. I'll touch more on that in a little bit. So I do live trades. I go over the strategy. I answer all of your questions. So make sure you guys tune in every single day, 9 a.m. and 5 a.m. EST. All right. So just about 13 minutes ago is when I should have started. I was a little bit late, but we are here nonetheless. I hope everyone is doing great today. Let's get it going. All right. Right from the top, JSTStream.com. First thing I need you guys to do, if you guys are new, if you guys are experienced, no matter where you are in your trading journey, the first thing that I need you guys to do once you guys are here is go to JSTStream.com. That's the website. You'll find it in the Discord. You can find it in the links in my bio on all the platforms as well. Make an account on JSTStream.com, all right? That's going to give you access to all the tools that you need to be able to get started with everything that you see here. So once you log in, it's going to be a little login button here. Make an account. It's completely free again. You're going to find the range bars. They're running on Forex, cryptocurrency. They're trying to get this back up. Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices and equities as well. So all of the major pairs in those markets. So for example, in the stocks one or the equities, they've got, Microsoft, they've got Tesla, they've got Google, they've got Apple, Amazon. Commodities and indices, they've got, Dow Jones, gold, they've got Russell 2000, S&P 500. For cryptos, they've got Bitcoin, they've got XRP, they've got Litecoin, Ethereum. And then for Forex, they've got GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, NZD USD, like all the major pairs for these different markets, they've got them all, right? So the strategy is one that can be used on all these different markets. The strategy remains the same, but it can be applied to all of these different markets regardless of what you want to trade or what you're familiar with trading. I'm going to be showing mainly Bitcoin and gold on my live streams. Of course, we won't be able to do Bitcoin trades yet, just because we're waiting for the range bars to go live again. But gold we're going to be looking at, and as well as I'm just going to be explaining what we are actually looking for when we're going to be trading. So make sure you stay tuned for that as well. All right. So what you're also going to get access to when you make an account on JSTStream.com is this videos tab right here. All you do is you click that videos tab, and you're going to find all of these amazing videos. They've got probably over 100 videos on their website. Everything from how to set up your demo account to how to master the indicators, how to use the range bars, looking for pullbacks and reversals, how to set up your trading chart. So they've got all the how-to videos that are going to help you get started. Then they've got trading knowledge, advanced knowledge, trading psychology. They even have live trading sessions so you can see them use the range bars and how it's applied in the market in real time. All right. So all of that is available completely free on JSTStream.com. Make sure you guys go and get your account set up. There's literally no reason to not do that right away. It's completely free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. At least start watching those videos. They're going to help you so much with understanding everything when it comes to trading. All right. Now, we're going to be coming to our trading platform here, Abbado Markets, Abbado.com. If you guys want the links to everything that you see here, I'm going to send it in the chat right now. Link tree / bullpen trader. All right, so if you guys go to that link right there, you will find the trading platform. You're going to find JSTStream.com. You're also going to find my YouTube and Twitch and TikTok and everything like that. All of the live webinars are recorded and posted on my YouTube, so you guys can go back and watch those as well in case you miss anything or you want to go and watch those back. All right. So the trading platform, again, is linked on that link tree as well. Abbado.com. That's the trading platform that I recommend. That's the one that I've been using for the past year or so. It's been over a year now. You guys can see if I go all the way to the bottom. I started this account with 50,000. We've made about 45K on this account. It's a live account that I deposited 50K into. We did a withdrawal of 5K not too long ago. I think I got a message somewhere. Maybe it was in a different Discord. All right, so the reason why I recommend this platform is because they have low spreads that you guys can see right here. Very, very tight, low spreads. They also have no commissions and no swaps on your trades. So you're pretty much only paying the spread when you're doing a trade, which is really hard to find in the trading scene when you're looking at different platforms and stuff. They all charge either commissions or they charge fees per lots or they're charging extra swaps, but they're also charging swaps, right? So they charge all of those other things plus swaps. And what happens is you really get screwed on the swaps because the as soon as you enter your trade, you're so far in negative because of how large the spread is that you have to wait for a huge move just to be breaking even, right? Because, for example, on Bitcoin, I've seen other platforms that they charge like 70-point spread, right? That means Bitcoin has to move $70 in a direction just for you to break even. So anytime you enter a trade, you're going to be down like 70 points right away, plus any of the commissions or spreads or swaps or anything else that they're charging. But on Abbado, they don't charge any of that. They only charge spread. So any little move that happens, you're already into profit. It's very, very nice that way, especially because of how we're going to be trading, which is what I'm going to be going over in a little bit as well. So on Abbado, they've got they've got all these different markets. They've got Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, commodities, like anything that you would want to trade, they've got it all in one place. So you don't have to have different accounts on different platforms to be able to trade different pairs. You can do it all on one platform. Plus, they give you a 5% bonus on your deposit. All you got to do to deposit is go to personal area. You hit the deposit funds button on the left side. You pick crypto, for example. You just deposit, like, let's say you want to do $1,000. You're going to get the 5% bonus on your deposit. You press proceed, continue funding, and it's going to open up the form to do your deposit. All right, so it's going to say amount to pay. You could deposit in whatever crypto you want. They even accept like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and stuff. But Bitcoin is what I recommend. Ethereum also. USDC is really good as well. Obviously, the USD coins are good as well because it's like very like you get what you put in. There's no like real volatility in the market, so it's easy. You just buy USDC on any exchange like Binance or Crypto.com or anything like that, and then you transfer it over. It's very, very simple. Why is this YouTube video talking? We don't need you talking. I am talking right now. I am the captain. All right, so that's pretty much the deposit process. It's very, very simple. If you guys have any questions about that, you can send me a message as well, and I can help you out with that. But it's really, really simple. All you got to do is press like however much you want. You press continue funding, and you can get that funded. All right, and withdrawals, it's very, very simple as well. You just withdraw it to your crypto wallet, and you cash it out that way as well. All right, so that's the trading platform that we're going to be using. Another reason why I love using them is because of all the tools that they have. They've got a bunch of different indicators that we're going to be applying right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the indicators tab, going to go to the indicator store right here and search for super trend. All right, super space trend. You guys are going to see that right there, and install it to your chart. Once that's installed, I'm going to hit all on the left side and search for SAR and go and install the parabolic SAR as well. All right, so now I've got these two indicators downloaded to my account. I'm going to go back to the indicators tab, go to the trend section, and then I'm going to see the super trend is right here. Apply it with default settings. I don't change around anything. You can change around like the the colors and stuff, but I don't recommend you changing around the values at all. And then I'm also going to apply the parabolic SAR. All right, so now once these two indicators are applied, let me tell you how they work. Very, very simply, when the super trend, which is the green and red line, when the line is red, it's indicating an overall downtrend. When the line is green, it's indicating an uptrend. All right, so that's very, very simply, that's how it is. Thank you, Josh, so much for the subscription. I appreciate it. Again, stay tuned. We're going to be doing live trades and so much more on this live. You can go back to my channel and watch all the previous daily webinars as well. Thank you so much for your subscription. All right, so again, when the super trend is red, we are in an overall downtrend. When the super trend is green, we're in an overall uptrend. So when the line is red, I'm just going to be looking for short trades, so sell positions where I want the market to continue going down. As it continues coming down, I'm going to be making money. So pretty much what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be waiting for the market to pull back. As it pulls back, I'm going to be entering on the pullback rather than entering on the bottom of the candle, and that's how we're going to be entering those trades. That's just a very simple explanation of how we're going to be looking at the super trend. So let's say, for example, if we just zoom in right here, we have the super trend showing red this whole way down, but rather than entering at the bottom right here, I would wait for the pullback to happen and enter the sell trade up here so that I'm catching some more pips on the way up and then continuing the trade down. So rather than entering at the bottom right here where I might get stopped out on the way up, I would rather wait for that pullback to happen and enter at the top, then continue the trade down. Now with the PSAR, it's another indicator that we use. The dots, the green dots above and below the candles is the parabolic SAR. When the dots are below, it's indicating an uptrend, and when the dots are above the candles, it's indicating a downtrend. Now, how do I use this together with the range bars? Very, very simply, when I see a trend happening on the range bars and I'm seeing it with the super trend, I wait for everything to line up before I enter. So for example, I need the super trend to be pointing to an uptrend direction, so I need it to be green. Then I need the PSAR dots to be just like how they are right here, pointing to the uptrend direction because they're below the chart. And then I'm going to be waiting for a pullback to happen on the chart. Let's say we are having the range bars go up, then we have a few red candles form. I would be entering on the red candles on the continuing uptrend. So all three of my tools need to be pointing in the same direction when I'm entering a trade. I'm not entering a trade if one thing is pointing the other way. So let's look at gold, for example. Gold's also still pointing in the same direction. It's still pointing at the same direction there as well. Let's see if Bitcoin. All right, for example, right here. All right, so let's say I was looking at the 5-minute chart right here, and the super trend is red, right? So the super trend is pointing downwards. The PSAR is below the candle, so it's pointing upwards. Now, what that forms is an X, which means I do not take this trade. I wait for everything to be pointing in the same direction. So let's say if the PSAR flips now and starts pointing in the downtrend direction as well. So if the PSAR dots come above the candles, then I would be looking for a short position. Or if the super trend flips green and the PSAR dots are still indicating an uptrend, then I would be looking for a buy trade. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions at any point, you guys can let me know. I know some of you guys have been here and heard me speak about this for months now. So I apologize, but I got to let everyone know, everyone that's new. Positive, you were saying that you were having some great gains today. Your bags are up. How is that going? What were you referring to? Are you just talking about your crypto bags, or were you talking about your trading bags? Your bags are up. Nice, nice. That's awesome. Yeah, Bitcoin's just been crazy, crazy lately. Your crypto bags are up now. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so pretty much the beauty of it is, like, when we're trading, obviously it's fine to have your investments on the side and stuff, but what I'd rather do is I'd rather trade, because what I can do is I can make money on the way down and on the way up. So for example, like, if someone was to invest in Bitcoin like $100 or something, right? If Bitcoin goes up 20%, you just made 20 bucks, right? But if you what's it called? You guys are all sending your memes here. You just lost the house. Nice. But what happens is I'm able to make money on the way down and on the way up, right? Because look, I'm able to do sell positions. I'm able to do sell trades, short trades. Yeah, it's amazing that, crypto is pumping right now. The markets are hot. All the bags are going crazy. But the thing is that even when, crypto was a little bit slower earlier in the year, last year, obviously it was still moving in the upwards direction, but it was a lot slower, right? We were just hovering around, like, I don't know what it was, like 20, 30K, 40K. I'm not sure. I got to check back at what we were at. Yeah, last year we were around like 30K or so. It was just kind of flat. We weren't mooning like we are now. And even at that time, I was able to make money whether the markets were going up or down, right? So obviously it's nice when Bitcoin is pumping right now. You're able to make money doing your investments, but it's really nice to be able to make money at all times, and even on the other markets as well. So on Abbado, you've got all the different markets. You've got crypto, Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, everything that you could trade. So even if, Bitcoin goes really slow, you still have gold that you can trade. Gold is extremely volatile as well. So you're able to get some great trades on gold too. So, you can have your investments and everything, but I always recommend you do trading as well, because then you're able to make money regardless of where the market is going. And then even when the market goes relatively flat, or we're in a bear trend, in a bear market, you're still able to profit, right? You don't want to be stuck holding crypto bags at the top, and now the market is dumping and you have no way to earn, and you're just getting bled dry. So rather than getting bled dry, build on this skill, get better with your strategy, become more consistent, become more, strict with your rules. And then it doesn't matter what type of market it is, you're able to keep it consistent and treat it like a business almost, right? You're able to, cash out on a consistent basis over a long period of time. You're not risking too much. You're growing an account consistently over a long period of time. Like, this is what your equity curve should look like over time doing trading. That is how it should be, just growing over a long period of time. I don't want you guys to be trying to catch huge moves and then, you lose a whole bunch and you're like, oh, now I'm greedy, I want to like make it back, and you come a little bit up and you're like, no, I don't want to take my profits yet, and then you blow your account. So rather than doing that, so many ads. Rather than doing that, what you should do is you should become a consistent trader over a long period of time. And there's only really one way to do that, is by doing low risk trading over a long period of time, using a strict strategy that gives you strict rules that you can follow, right? So with this strategy, it's very, very strict rules that we follow. We wait for a pullback on the range bars. We look for the super trend and PSAR to give us an indication of which direction the market is going to. And then we enter a trade using a small lot size, right? We use a small lot size and always set our stop loss and take profit every single time. Now, when we do that, we're such a consistent trader at that point, right? Like, as soon as you're strict with your strategy, you can become consistently profitable over a long period of time. The reason is because, for example, these range bars, after they were tested, it's like, 40, they were about 60 to 65% win rate, and I've gotten about a 70 plus percent win rate by using these different indicators to help me out. And overall, I've been, been doing pretty good. I've made about 45K on this account. Almost 2x. I want to get this account to 100K very soon. And then maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe we'll do a withdrawal. Maybe, we'll see how it goes. Again, if you guys have any questions about what I'm talking about here, let me know, and I can help you out as well. The PSAR and the super trend flipped on gold right there. But unfortunately, I don't have the range bars. Give me 1 second. All right. So, right on, bro. Those are amazing profits. Yeah, I mean, being able to consistently grow this account is like what I wanted to do in the first place. And I'm really proud that I wasn't like over risking or anything like that. I've slowly increased my lot size. I've gone from like 1 lot size to 2 lot size to 3 lot size, and now I'm doing 4 lot size generally when I'm doing my trades. So my trades are still worth less than 0.5% of my total balance, but by using that strategy still, I'm able to still grow this account, right? Giveaway is very important. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Giveaways, everyone wants a giveaway. Stack your funds and deposit into your own trading account as well. You know what I mean? Like, even if I do a giveaway, I mean, like, it's gonna be small, like maybe like $20 or something like that, which, you're still gonna have to fund your account. I'll probably do it for people who have a funded account. Like, if you have, something like $100 or something in your account, then maybe I'll, send you some more to add to your account. But I won't be like funding you from zero probably, because it doesn't make sense. If I fund you with $20, you're just going to lose the $20, and now that $20 is gone. But if I can add a little bit to your equity, then that's fine. If I can add like 20% to your equity if you have $100 in your account, I'd be happier with that than giving you free money without you putting anything into it. What do you guys think? That makes sense, right? That makes sense. I think that, like, if you guys can, show some funds, if you guys have a live account that you guys are using, and we do a giveaway, that's like who's added into the giveaway. Sharaf's saying, nah, you guys just want free money, huh? All right, we're seeing this pullback happen on the gold market here. Let's wait for it to pull down closer to the bottom right there, and let's see if we can enter into a trade. You're having a problem. Your screen is in mobile view on your laptop. It doesn't look like yours. So if you make yours full screen like this, it should make it desktop view. Does that work? Yeah, you could try logging in and logging out. Try logging in and logging out. Also, if you go to settings on mobile view, let me see if I can do this on my screen. Let's make this smaller so it goes into mobile view. I don't know if it's going to change. Pino, look at this. So if you have it in mobile view, right, then go to your settings right here, and you can scroll down and turn off this option, automatically switch to mobile version. Turn this off, and then try to make yours full screen again. See if that works. See if that works. You did, and it won't go back. All right. Because generally all that I have to do is like make it full screen and then refresh, and then it does get fixed. You can try. Okay, try this. Log out. Yeah, you can email them, but log out and clear your cache. And what browser are you using, by the way? What browser are you using? Like, are you using Chrome or um, which one are you using? Okay, try using Chrome. Chrome is much better, I think. See if I mean, I don't know if you're like religious to Edge and you don't want to use anything else. That's different. Maybe clearing your cache and cookies will work. But if you are fine with switching browsers, then try on Chrome and see if it works. Send me a message if it doesn't work. Maybe clearing your cache and cookies will help as well. That generally fixes some issues too. If not, then you can just email their support and see if they can help you out. But that setting is turned off, right? The automatically switch to mobile view. That setting is turned off? Okay. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure. I missed that pullback because I switched to mobile view. Dang. I was waiting for it to just get a little bit closer to the the what's it called? The super trend line. That's totally fine. Again, we are looking at the 5-minute candles, the 5-minute time frame on our chart. That was the challenge that was posed to me. It's working pretty well, so I'm going to stick with it. So 5-minute candles is what I recommend you guys do, especially if you guys are new to this strategy. And obviously, use the range bars, use the different indicators that we're looking at as well. Wait for your entries and then enter. You know, you guys, you got to remember that patience is key when it comes to your trades. Don't rush into a trade because, like, for example, let's say you miss the pullback and you're like, oh my God, the market is pumping. Let me just enter and see if it will continue to go up. Just wait for the pullback to happen. Wait for the next entry. Never rush into a trade. Always just be patient with your trading. You know, that's a virtue that you guys will learn to have. Maybe it might take some losses to learn that, but hopefully not. It doesn't take much to, you know, have that drilled into your head. That just be patient. You know, just follow the system very, very strictly. That's what you have to remember. There's no reason to rush into any trades. Just wait. Wait till the trade comes to you. Again, this candle, what the heck? 500 points in one 5-minute candle, and it's not even done yet on gold. There's still 2 minutes to the end of that candle, and it's just pumping. This time is like really, really strong for the markets. It's just like generally has a clear direction of where it's going. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing just for educational purposes. So the indicators are giving us contradicting things on the 1 minute. Let's look at 5-minute as well. On the 5-minute, both are still telling us a downtrend. We're having a pullback on that overall downtrend is what we're seeing. Yeah, it's a pullback here. The reason why I'm saying it's a pullback is because both indicators are telling us that it's, you know, it's a downtrend here. And then obviously we're having a really, really strong green candle here, which is that pullback. If we had the range bars, maybe I would enter into a trade, but I'm not going to enter a trade because that would go against my strategy, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to be looking at gold here still. Now we're seeing that pullback happen. Gold scares me a little bit when there's 500 points in one candle, does it not? It's a little bit intimidating, huh? Look at that. Are you guys hearing those Malaysian ads? Are you guys hearing those Malaysian ads on YouTube? It's hilarious. Gold is hard to trade. Yeah, you've won very few gold trades. I mean, we did a gold trade in profit earlier. Then we had one hit stop loss. So it's not the worst. It's just, you know, it takes a little bit of getting used to. Um, you know, I'm sure that if you consistently, I think because we're used to Bitcoin, it's a little bit, you know, different for us on here. It moves a lot more. Like, look at this candle. It's insane how much this new candle is moving. Like, already 200 pips. It's going higher. It's just pumping. So it's a lot different for us Bitcoin traders. But again, the strategy still works over a long period of time. If you test it, it does work. It's just that you have to be a little bit more patient. You're waiting for those pullbacks. You got to wait for a stronger pullback, not just a few candles. Usually on Bitcoin, if we have just a few candles like this, we're good to enter. But on gold, you have to really wait for a red trend almost to form, like what we're seeing right here, before we do an entry. Like, look, if you waited for that pullback and you enter, you're like almost hitting take profit right there, just on that pullback. So it's a very quick in and out, but you have to be patient with your entries. So gold takes a little bit more of an experienced hand, but obviously any hand can become experienced over a long period of time. All it takes is actually just doing those trades, testing it out, and seeing it for yourself. Makes sense. Awesome. Wow. Just insane. I think this will probably flatten out the super trend a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Are you the same person dropping the signals in Telegram? So it's not me that's doing that. That's an automated signal bot that the JSTStream has set up. I'm not part of the team. I'm just a streamer that's like, helping out here and there. But that's from them. They've been, coding those signals and everything. So those signals are pretty crazy. But yeah, that's not me. And it's automated signals. So again, that's not a person posting those signals or anything. Those are live signals. Let's see if we're getting any signals. It's just giving XRP signals right now. Let's see if I can open the XRP chart actually. Let's see. XRP. Let's open up the chart. Let's apply the same indicators. Super trend and PSAR. All right. Someone dropped the link of the Telegram. So if you go to the when you log in on JSTStream.com, it's right here. It's going to be showing up right here. So you just join this signal stream, and I think when you send them a live account, then they open it for you. Maybe it's just open, but here's the Telegram group. I don't know how it's done right now, but I'm not actually sure how the margin works on XRP. I don't know what I would have to do for that trade. Let's say, I think if I do 400,000 XRP, 400,000, maybe that's too much. I'm just gonna test this and see. That should be about how much my trade should be worth. I think so, yeah. So let's set it at 0.6426 and 0.6626. I mean, I don't really, I was just doing a test just to see how XRP works. I've never traded XRP before, but I just wanted to see how it, goes. And I saw that both the indicators were still pointing in the green direction. I didn't even wait for a pullback or anything. I just entered the trade just to see. I wanted to test how the, the stop loss and take profit and everything works. So with XRP, it's very, very simple. So the last 3 digits, you just add 100 to it. So for example, it's 6525. You add 100 for your take profit, so 6625, and minus 100, 6425 for your stop loss and your take profit. Interesting. So with XRP, you're able to do much smaller trades. Yeah, I'm learning this right now as well. They've got so many different markets. I mean, they have the range bars for XRP as well, so the strategy works on XRP too. I mean, it's a little bit slower of a market, I think. But I mean, you can still see that it hits the 100 points above or 100 points below. Like it's still you're still able to get in and out of trades. It's probably a little bit slower than Bitcoin or one of these other markets would be. But that's very interesting just to see how that works. It's always good to learn, you know what I mean? So, for example, if I do the smallest lot size, which is 10, that trade is already up 130 bucks. All right, let's see. Maybe this will be the runner for today. Maybe this will be where we take profit on for today on this random trade that I entered. So maybe, okay, because you need so little margin to be able to do these trades, maybe this will be a good thing for, some of you people that don't have a lot of, money to get started with. If you deposit 100 bucks or something and you want to do very, very low risk trades and just test out the strategy, figure out how to set your stop loss and take profit and everything, maybe this would be a good way to test it. Like if I enter a trade on, 10 lots of XRP, my trade is worth very, very small. But let's say I set my stop loss 0.6479. This trade is actually worth 10 cents. And then if I do the same thing, 0.6679. Yeah, so this trade would be, so you know how on Bitcoin, if we do 100 points either way on the smallest lot size, which is 0.01, that trade is worth $1. But on this, it would be worth 10 cents. So this would actually be a good way for, somebody that's really new in trading to be able to test that and test the strategy, for example, practice setting their stop loss and take profit and do it with a live account. Because as you guys remember, setting, doing these things with a live account is always the best course of action. The reason for that is because your mentality is completely different. The trading psychology that you go into your trades with is completely different when it's a live account versus a demo account, right? Because guys, this trade is about to hit our take profit. We're at $340. I mean, it would be nice if it hit our take profit. I wouldn't be against that. Profit is profit. $392, $396, and boom, right there. We took profit on that trade. XRP trades, we're Ripple boys now. We're Ripple boys. Let's go. I mean, I'll take it. Profit is profit. We are up to date. We are at, let's see what we're up to today. $364. I'll take it. It's not bad. To start off the live stream, I think that's the first trade that we took in this live stream. But yeah, as I was saying, your mentality in a live account is completely different than a demo account because you're financially involved, you're emotionally involved then, and mentally you're focused, right? Emotionally involved, I don't mean you're emotional about your trades, but you're actually focused, you're thinking about what you're doing, you're actually, following the strategy, you're doing the things that you have to do. So you're remembering your lot sizes, you're remembering your risk management, you're remembering your stop loss and take profit, you're remembering the strategy, you're waiting for the entries, you're doing all of that stuff because you know that it's your real money, even if it's in the cents, even if it's $1, even if it's $5, it's your real money, so you're actually focused on it, right? Now, if I go into my, for example, if I go to a demo account, and I'm like, this demo account, once it loads, my internet's a bit slow when I'm doing these live streams, but let's say, let me deposit, for example, into my demo account. I'll be like, okay, let me add, $1 billion to my account. It's not a billion, it's a million. But I'm like, okay, I see, I think that Bitcoin is going to go up because it crossed this line. I'm going to do a 100 lot trade because I can, right? I'm like, oh my God, I'm just doing this because who cares? And if I make money, I'm going to make huge money. Like, look, my take profit is going to be at, what's it called? My take profit is going to be at, how many pips is that? Let's do like 12K, and my stop loss is at 20K. Like, who cares, right? But when it's your live account, even if this is in the pennies, even if you're looking at this and it's in the cents, you're going to be sweating and you're going to be staring at your screen, right? And you guys will have noticed this as well. It's completely different when you have a live trading account. It's completely different, even if it's in the cents. So what I need you guys to do is get your account set up, get your account funded, and then when you do those trades, use very, very low risk trades when you're doing that, and just practice using the system. All right, so get good with the system. Get an eye for what you're looking for when you're looking at the pullbacks. Practice looking at the super trend and PSAR, waiting for everything to line up. Practice patience and waiting for everything to line up, waiting for that pullback. Then practice setting your lot sizes, practice setting your stop loss and take profit. Test all of this, so then it becomes second nature when you're doing this, and you're entering trades and you're like, all right, boom, I got the signal, I saw everything line up, I'm entering my trade. My open price is 86759, so 86659.9 is my stop loss, and 859.9 is my take profit. Like, you got to be that quick with this. That's how you become consistent, and it's going to be coming with experience after you do it for a while on your own. You guys can watch me do this all you want, but until you do it for yourself, it's not going to make a difference. Once you do it for yourself, you're really going to notice the difference when you're testing the strategy for yourself. You're going to be thinking about what you're doing and all of that good stuff. Wow, we had another profit, another dollar. The markets are blessing us with some great moves. Let's see, just in plus minuses. So we had +1, +1, -1. So we're at 0. Then +1, +2, +3. We're at +3 for today in wins. So my track record for today is positive. Great. We won more trades than we lost, even though those trades were smaller or different lot sizes. The percentage, my overall wins, outdo my losses. So obviously, if I was doing these with the same lot size every single time, then we would have had a pretty good day. But I was just testing different things, testing out XRP and stuff as well. So that's why it's a little bit different. I hope everything that I'm saying is making sense to you guys. If anything is going over your head, let me know, and I can explain it further. What a crazy candle on XRP here. It's mooning. That's 100 points. 111 points on XRP in a minute. Wow. Crazy. So XRP would be a pretty good market to be trading too. And it seems like XRP is pretty linear with its trends. Maybe we start becoming XRP traders. What do you guys think? XRP looks like a pretty good market to be able to trade using the range bars and stuff. Again, very, very simple. It's usually running right here. But using the same system, looking for the PSAR, looking at the super trend, waiting for those pullbacks. Very, very simply, I think XRP is a pretty good market for a lot of you guys to, if you guys are looking at trading a different market, maybe XRP would be good as well. Because look, if you just look at it and back test it a little bit, super trend flipped right here. PSAR confirmed that. If we wait for a pullback, we can see where the wicks are. We can enter on that pullback. That's about 100 points right there, I'm guessing. Yeah, 100-ish points. If you wait for a nice pullback on the first candle or so, then you'd be good. There's been more pullbacks as well. Stronger pullback, continues down. Super trend flips here. PSAR confirms that. That hits almost take profit maybe, depending on where you enter. Super trend flips here. That one definitely hits take profit. Super trend PSAR confirm. Pullback here somewhere. Almost take profit right there. Super trend PSAR flip around here. Gets close to stop loss, but overall hits take profit. So it's pretty good, I mean. So the dots above, the circles above and below, I'm not actually sure. You would have to ask like AKPWC about that. I'm not sure about those dots. Maybe they're indicating something, but I'm not entirely sure. You would have to ask them. I didn't code the range bar, so I'm not entirely sure about that. Sharaf, you were using you were trading on XRP, or were you using, like, what were you using? You mean you were trading XRP, right? Yeah, nice. Yeah, XRP looks like a pretty good market. Maybe we'll look at that as well when we're you know, when we got the live stream running. I think that'd be pretty good. Again, do you guys have any questions at all? If you have any questions, please let me know and I can help you out with that. Again, guys, where I'm, you know, where the strategy's from is JSTStream.com. You guys can get access to that for completely free. The link is in my bio. It's on my link tree as well. All you got to do is click the login button right here. I'm getting a phone call. All you got to do is click the login button right here. Make an account. It takes like 2 seconds. You'll get access to the range bars running on Forex, cryptos, commodities, and indices and equities. All the major pairs in those different markets. Also, click on this videos tab right here. You're going to find all these amazing videos. Everything from how to set up your demo account, how to use the range bars looking for pullbacks and reversals, mastering different indicators, and much, much more. They've got how-to videos, trading knowledge, advanced knowledge, trading psychology, live trading sessions, just so much amazing knowledge here for you guys to get access to. Plus the strategy using the range bars. And where we're trading is Abbado Markets, Abbado.com. That's the trading platform that I recommend. They've got really low spreads. They have a great trading platform, all the different markets. So they've got, you know, Forex, commodities, stocks, indices, crypto, everything on one platform. They give you a 5% bonus on your deposit as well. So make sure you guys go and get your account set up right away. I would highly, highly recommend you guys do that. It's a great platform that I strongly, strongly recommend. Again, even on XRP, all of these markets, the spreads are so tiny. Like, you'll never go to a different platform and see a spread this small if they don't charge any commissions or swaps. Like, no other platform is doing that. It makes it really easy to catch small moves. Again, the reason why we need a platform with low spreads and no commissions or any other fees is because we're only trying to catch 100 points in either direction, right? So if we're in a buy trade, we're only waiting for 100 points up. 100 points up is our take profit, or 100 points down is our take profit. And if your profits are getting eaten up by your commissions or other fees, then you have to wait for a much bigger move for the market to go much lower or much higher for you to be able to cash in that trade. Whereas for us, even if it has a little bit of a move up, we need only about like 114 points up. That accounts for spread, or 114 points down, and that accounts for spread, and we are in, you know, we hit our profit target. So definitely highly recommend it. Make sure you guys go and get your account set up. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If not, I'm going to call it a night here. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have the crypto live stream running as well. So we're going to be able to do some more trades on crypto, which is always a great time. Thank you all so much for joining. Sorry I couldn't do too many trades today, but hopefully you guys have a lot of great luck with the rest of your day. Hopefully you guys get some great trades in. Thank you all so much for joining. Hopefully better moves today. I mean, today was great moves as well. It was actually great moves. Even Bitcoin has been quite linear with its trends. As you can see, like, it was less of like, I mean, obviously a little bit earlier, it was finishing off that uptrend, but it's been quite linear for the most part. Now we're heading into the uptrend again. So it's been pretty good so far. It's just that we didn't have the range bars. So hopefully when those are up as well, we're going to be able to get some more trades. So good luck with everyone's trades. Hope they all turn out hitting take profit. And if you guys have any more questions, you guys can send me a message. You guys can ask it in the chat as well. I mean, in the trade discussion channel. I'm always looking there as well. So you guys can send a message there, tag me, and I will be able to help you out there. Make sure you guys go to my YouTube. All the live streams are recorded and posted over there, so you guys can watch those as well. Thank you all so much for joining, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, everyone.